Yeah, but Anton doesn't call me anything. He grimly does his work, then he sits motionless till it's time to work again. We could all take a page from his book.
Do my phone number.
Tempting, but no. Thank you.
Who are you?
Oh, God, cut the crap. You set me up.
Look, stop, stop, stop. You're going to take someone's eye out.
Whoa, what the hell?
Look out for that homeless guy!
Now, if you're gonna stab, Trigger. Don't, dance.
Look, I took a picture of Lois's poo.
Oh, that's hilarious. You should email that to me.
I killed those guys because they were awful. Everybody is awful these days.
Are you fucking nuts?
You want to find out?
I got nothing to be embarrassed about.